town hums like a restless ghost. Whiskey whispers to me the most. Cards are dealt, but the deck feels rigged. My smile's painted, my soul feels twigged. Oh, the lights can blind, but they don't warm. The city's a desert in a sequin storm. I'm singing my neon blues, singing my neon blues, 'cause hard times hit like jackpot news. I'm a queen of spades in a broken hand, a cracked martini glass, a one-woman band. Diamonds sparkle but they don't pay rent. Every show's a gamble, every laugh feels spent. Luck's a stranger who won't say hi. Dreams are shadows that kiss goodbye. Oh, the lights can blind, but they don't warm. The city's a desert in a sequin storm. I'm singing my neon blues, singing my neon blues, 'cause hard times hit like jackpot news. Red velvet curtains, they hide the tears. High heels clicking on wasted years. The jackpot's rigged, the house always wins, but I keep spinning. I keep spinning. Glitter falls, the room's aglow. Velvet whispers, lights hung low. A blackjack table, love's roulette. You take the gamble, no regrets. Neon heartbeat, ghost and wild. Love's a game, a fevered child. Spin the wheel, let it start. Place your bets on my neon heart. Smoke curls like a ghost in flight.
As of mid-April 2026, the Hard Rock Guitar Tower, part of the Hard Rock Hotel Casino Las Vegas, formerly the Mirage, is advancing rapidly and remains on track for a late 2027 opening. The most detailed recent structural update shows 38 of the planned 42 stories poured, with the tower nearing structural completion. Blue glass panels, in 2 shades, already cover nearly 24 upper floors, giving it a distinctive look even while under construction. Crews continue working on rebar, forms, and glass installation, with tower cranes active. Recent April 2026 video updates and photos confirm steady progress, and the guitar shape is now highly visible and dominating parts of the Strip skyline. The topped-out height will be approximately 660 feet. Some sources note around 660, 680 feet, but 660 feet is the consistently reported figure. The lower 100 feet, first 5 floors, will house base amenities, while the upper 560 feet will contain the guest rooms. It will rank as one of the taller buildings on the Strip, third tallest once complete, behind Fontainebleau and Resorts World. The rooms inside the guitar tower, about 655 luxury rooms and suites total, do not have widely released detailed interior photos or floor plans yet, as the project is still in active construction. However, the entire tower will feature a striking blue glass exterior. Rooms are positioned in the upper portion of the guitar body and neck. They are expected to offer stunning, panoramic views of the Las Vegas Strip, especially from mid to upper floors and south-facing orientations. Many will likely have large or floor-to-ceiling windows, leveraging the all-glass design, and the tower's prominent location at the curve of the Strip. Renovation of the existing structure, the former Mirage's Tri-Tower Hotel buildings, has already started and is actively underway. The original gold glass exterior is being stripped and replaced with blue glass to match the new guitar tower. Interiors are being fully gutted, with new drywall, wiring, framing, and redesigned layouts for larger standard rooms and an expanded casino floor. This work is happening in parallel with the guitar tower construction and has been visible in recent months. Overall, the $4+ billion transformation is progressing smoothly, and the guitar is already a major new landmark on the Strip even before completion. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for updates on the Hard Rock Hotel Casino. Now for what you do not know about the Hard Rock Hotel Casino. The new Hard Rock, under construction at the former Mirage site on the Las Vegas Strip, is the flagship Hard Rock Hotel Casino Las Vegas, sometimes called Hard Rock Las Vegas or Hard Rock Guitar Hotel. It is owned and operated by Hard Rock International, HRI, which is wholly owned by the Seminole Tribe of Florida. HRI acquired the Mirage property from MGM Resorts in late 2022 for just over $1 billion. They now lease the land long-term from VICI Properties. The Mirage closed in July 2024, and the site is being redeveloped with major renovations, plus a new 700-foot guitar-shaped hotel tower, modeled after their famous one in Hollywood, Florida. It's expected to reopen as the full Hard Rock Resort around 2027. Here is the part that most people do not know. The old Hard Rock on Harmon Avenue, now Virgin Hotels Las Vegas. This has no ownership or operational connection to the new one. It was a completely separate project originally opened in 1995 by Peter Morton, co-founder of the original Hard Rock Cafe. It went through several owners, charged operators over the years, and was never run by HRI or the Seminole Tribe. HRI had zero involvement with it. The property closed as a Hard Rock in early 2020, was bought by Virgin Hotels, with investors, and reopened as Virgin Hotels Las Vegas in 2021. It remains Virgin today. HRI only bought the Hard Rock Hotel Casino Las Vegas naming rights in 2020, specifically so they could use the brand for the new Strip project at the Mirage site. The Hard Rock Restaurant on South Las Vegas BLVD. This is a Hard Rock Cafe, the restaurant chain, which is owned by the same company, Hard Rock International, Seminole Tribe. HRI bought the entire global Hard Rock Cafe brand, along with hotels and casinos, in 2007. So the cafe is part of the same corporate family as the new Mirage site Hard Rock and the Florida properties. Note, there used to be a Hard Rock Cafe attached to the old Harmon property back in the 1990s, but that's unrelated to the current one on the BLVD. Hard Rock in Tampa and Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood. These are directly owned and operated by the same entity, the Seminole Tribe of Florida, through Hard Rock International. The Seminole Hard Rock Hotel Casino Tampa and the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel Casino Hollywood, the big guitar-shaped one near Fort Lauderdale, are flagship tribal properties. The new Las Vegas project is essentially their Strip version of the same model. Full ownership, operation by HRI, with the same branding, music memorabilia focus, and guitar hotel vibe. In short, the new Hard Rock at the old Mirage is the official Seminole Tribe, Wanobach, HRI version on the Las Vegas Strip, same owners as the Tampa Fort Lauderdale resorts and the Hard Rock Cafe chain. The old Harmon one was a totally separate, earlier licensing deal that had nothing to do with the tribe and is now gone, replaced by Virgin. All the current Hard Rock branded hotels, casinos, and cafes worldwide are under the Seminole-owned HRI umbrella, but the old Las Vegas Harmon property was the one notable exception that got away before they took full control of the brand.
Sequins shining under the glow, feathers flying wherever I go. The stage is my kingdom, my glittery throne, but the lights don't follow me home. is fleeting, it's just a taste. Fame is a ghost I can't embrace. Step by step I strut my scene, living a life